The only thing you really need, as far as these go, these multimeters, the only thing you need is auto ranging, which this is, but there's way cheaper options. This thing just only works half the time. Or like, it's super difficult to like get it to heat up properly. Don't ask me why, but I mean, sometimes it works. This Tekton is great for alignments. Gear inch flex head, also great for alignments. Used to use this one, but I don't really prefer the other version, the not crooked version. I need to use this engraver more. I never do though. Why I got this one? Like, it works well enough, but there's no centimeters, which I didn't think about when I got it. These are the best. The absolute best filter wrenches. Good drill. This is an extra 3 amp. Well, it's my only 3 amp, I guess. But it is extra. These I use a lot of alignments. Ooh, another good alignment tool. I use every single one of these sockets, including the 20. Especially the 20. Okay, not that much, but you know. It's a good flashlight. Oh, accidentally ripped the button off. Emery cloth. These are really good. Pry drivers. Caliper hangers. Trim tools are good. These are good. I wish I had like a Cornwell one, but they look too much like a... No, I wish I had a Cornwell. Because this just looks stupid. Looks like a turd. This flashlight works amazing. Amazon. Only go on Amazon for that shit. Only. Stubby. Mirror. Picks. Sockets. I use the shit out of those sockets, by the way. And you want to have a flat top. You know, you don't want just like this on top. Like, this is nice. Went over these already yesterday. These are the ratcheting. They're really good. I wish I had like I wish I had gear wrench though. Wish I had gear wrench. Pretty much went over all this yesterday. These are Literally the bomb. Good thread tape. That's where my other brush went. So, these are good shit. I don't really use this super long, but when I do, chromiums, chrome vanadiums, there's a charger, George getting stuck. Pretty much explained this yesterday. I need to get different sockets. Those are so old. I literally had those for my whole life. Since I was a baby boy. I just cleaned these. Pretty much explained this all yesterday. Or the other day. Explained all this the other day. I need to just throw some of these shits away like this. I don't even use that shit. These I'm trying to use every day. Well, I mean, I do every day, but I'm trying to use them like literally for everything. You know. So it's good. I have some. They'll work perfect. They'll are totally perfect. Wish the light stayed on for longer with the small battery. It does with the big battery. Either big battery. All three of these work awesome. Really strong. These ratchets are good. Got a specialty socket for this one. Milwaukee. Again, I should have got gear wrench because they have comfort grip and flex head, so that would have been smart. I fixed it. I think I explained all this. Yeah. These are good though. Like all of these are good. I want to get rid of this. This one sucks. It's just too in between, you know. Can't decide. I already explained all this. Good sockets though. Big. All of those are good. So this is a good backpack too. And I'll explain how I put that stuff on my cart some other day. But